Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some games on Roblox. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first we have to go onto Roblox because how is that? It's a fake game on Roblox, but we're not even on Roblox. Okay. I'm gonna actually move my character up here so you guys can see me well. But now I'm going to just do this. And now I can barely see. Oh, like quite literally. Okay, quite literally. I can literally see you guys. Because of my, okay, let's move myself over here. This isn't working. Okay. Oh, it's like, it goes on in the middle. It goes in the middle, but anyway, guys, I'm just gonna play like this, even though there's like a line literally around on my border, and I think you guys might not be able to see it, but yeah, there's a line right up there. Sorry guys, my earpiece keeps falling out. But this video will be on Isabel YT. I know you're saying, why are you saying like your YouTube channel? Have you like got like any more or channels? And yes, I might have another channel, but it's Izzy Princess, but that one is private because it's just really embarrassing video. And well, and also my dad has a channel which posts. I have two brothers, and my two brothers post videos on JAsh, but that's not on there. And my dad's channel is John Hot Rod, and he has really embarrassing baby videos, more embarrassing than my other channel, Izzy Princess. So guys, if you're wondering why I keep like going over here, it's because I like have to it's because I have to like sorry guys, my microphone